BRB Cash, latest and greatest. If you don't hear these drops, then it is not a true exclusive. Welcome back, Moneybags Rico. We're gonna check out this. Of course, you see by the thumbnail, we got BRB Cash being listed on Hotbit. The charts are booming right now. I got some call of action for the community members. Those who are new, you guys make sure you guys like, subscribe, and tap in with us because things are happening right now as we speak. So let's go over this really quick and then we're going to go into the details. We're going to check out the chart, which is sending, but we got BRB Cash is officially listed on Hotbit. Okay, so it's going to happen on the 9th. Keep that in mind. So it's already getting ready. Everything's already set up. So on the 9th, that's when trading is going to start. Keep that in mind. All right. If you guys want to stay up to date with what's going on, the latest and greatest, of course, you guys are going to want to come over here, follow at BRB Web3. Hit the bell notification like that. You guys will not miss a thing, right? Let's go ahead and scroll down because I have a bit of a call of action to the community members and those who are just joining up because the Telegram is growing pretty fast. Obviously, the chart is booming, but we got this right here. This is something, let's like and retweet this. But I want you guys to head over to top 100 tokens, astrospaces.io, all those places that we got ourselves set up on. I need you guys to go over there and vote like crazy. This is the time to shine right now. So we got this up 56%. Like I said, we're going to get to this price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video, but look, we're coming up on the heels on some of the biggest coins up here. So let's go ahead and keep pushing forward, keep shilling, keep spreading the word because it's a good time to do this. We got a good reason to do it also. So we got brbinc.us is a website if you're looking to find out more. I did a video on it a little where I dug a little bit deeper on it yesterday. So if you did not catch that video, make sure you do go watch that video and make sure the bell notification is on. So like that, you guys do not miss out on the videos that I'm dropping. We got some hot things coming and no pun intended, considering that we're on Hotbit. Another thing, this is for us right here, community members and those that are joining right now. Hotbit just tweeted this. Okay. So this is Hotbit news with 499,000 followers. Connect the dots, read in between the lines, however you got to do it. This is going to be a lot of exposure. We're talking about 6,797 people have already viewed this, and we can see this reflecting on the chart. Obviously, we get listed on Hotbit on the 9th, but people are starting to load up their bags right now. Of course, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research, but let's get this started and let's have some fun. Let's go over here to the pool info. The last video, I believe we are around $81,000 market cap. We are at $111,000 market cap, and this will not stop. So respect the pump because this is what's going to happen. Remember yesterday, if those who watched the video, also check this out. Look at the buy wall. We got a couple bots or whatnot, but look at that buy wall, all green. Connect the dots, read in between the lines. Something is happening. Sound the trumpet. Tell your friends, tell your family. And like I said in the last video, tell an enemy, maybe you guys can patch things up and get on better terms when you guys make some money together, right? But let's get over to these technical analysis. Let's go ahead. We're on the 4-hour chart. Let's go to our next zone, right? What's going to be our next zone? Let's zoom out a little bit, right? Let's back it up. We see our next zone right here, right here. This is our next zone. You see that? How it almost always does this, right? So this is our next zone right here. We're going to mark this up. And really, a lot of times, it's going to be that half point. Really, it should be around that 1500, but it is crypto, right? The volume changes. So you got to give and take a little bit. You need a little bit of a buffer. But right now, I'm going to tell you all, this is going to be our next attack zone. The number is 1241, and we are going to go attack this. Hopefully, you guys can tell some people. I'm almost sure because I know some things that are going on behind the scenes. There's going to be some more marketing going on. Besides what's going on with Hotbit right now, which is already fantastic, besides the videos that I'm dropping, besides the community that's shilling, we're dropping all the buys. All the buys need to be forward in any call group that you participate in because this is going to be golden right now. So we got support right here in the past, which we broke past this level of resistance right here. This was that level that we wanted to break through, which was that psychological barrier of erasing the zero. Remember, those are areas that you're always going to want to watch. And usually it's that erase to the zero, which on here is 1,000. The next one would have been 1,500, then 2,000, then 2,500, and 3,000, and so forth. Just like that in 100, 150, 200, and so on, right? So let's scoot this over. Right now we see where we're at. We're going to go ahead and scroll this down a little bit. This is going to be our next zone right here. Let's go ahead and get this marked up. Once we break through our next zone, look at that. It's going to be right around that 1,500 mark. So in the short term, on the 4-hour chart, we're looking really good. I mean, the MACD is extremely stretched out. We got solid green candles. Basically saying that we are bullish right now. And we also got the dots on the bottom, right? So let's go ahead and break the chart down, layer the chart like I like to say. I think it's important to almost gives you a little glimpse into the future a little bit. Obviously, it's not always going to be 100%. That's why this is not financial advice. And you guys should do your own research and study on how these things work and consider what's going on in the Telegram chat. Make sure you guys tap in. I'll have all those links down below. But we can see what's going on right now. We're stepping to the side a little bit, which is no big deal. We see the MACD coming down on the 30-minute chart. but that is because we're pegged to ETH. those who are new to the space, always keep that in mind. Sometimes you might see red on the candle, just like we see this momentum coming to the downside. Pay attention that there are no sales. And the reason that it's doing that is because the price of Ethereum is fluctuating. If there was no more buys and no more sells and Ethereum starts to pump, we also start to pump. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're paying attention to stuff. And you might think that the trend is reverse. You always got to keep that in mind that we're wrapped with ETH. Okay, also another thing, if you guys can, make sure you guys favorite BRBC. We also have CoinMarketCap coming up and CoinGecko, which is going to be doubling down on the exposure with already Hotbit telling us what's going on their Twitter page with almost 500,000 followers. That's a lot of people. You can consider that there's going to be more exposure when CoinGecko shows up, and also CoinMarketCap. So we're going to be paying attention to getting above this 1241 and then pumping towards this 1453, which most likely is going to be that 1500. But we are looking really good. So these are our next zones. Anything within here is good. I don't see too many people selling right now, especially seeing and knowing that we're going to get listed on Hotbit. That is very, very bullish. So we're going to see these prices most likely continue to rise as of the making of this video. Like I said, the last one I would mention it. Yesterday was at 81,000. Today we're at 111,000. Let me know down in the comments, where do you guys see us going within the next 24 hours? Is it going to be 150,000 market cap? Is it going to be $200,000 market cap? Let me know down in the comments. And if you guys can't do that, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.